Meaning of gentleness.
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 Gentleness. Gentleness refers to the quality of being kind, tender, and considerate towards others. It involves treating people with respect, empathy, and compassion, and avoiding harshness or aggression. A gentle person is patient and understanding, and seeks to resolve conflicts peacefully. This quality is often associated with a calm and tranquil demeanor that creates a sense of safety and security in others. Practicing gentleness can lead to improved relationships, increased emotional intelligence, and a more peaceful mindset overall. Ultimately, it's about fostering positive connections with others and creating a more harmonious world.